Hello everyone, we have Shubkarman with us from Capilano University, one of my favorites. So आज हम थोड़ा सा कैपिलानो यूनिवर्सिटी के बारे में और स्पेशली जो आप जानना चाहते हैं कनाडा के रूल्स चेंजेस के बारे में थोड़ा सा डिस्कशन करेंगे कि इसका हम पे क्या इम्पैक्ट हो रहा है.
All right, ma'am. Thank you for having me. So my name is Shubkarman and I represent Capilano University for North India. सबसे पहले I would like to tell that where is our university located. So we are located in the North Vancouver region, and recently only we have come up with a new campus that is in Squamish. And yes, coming to the point that you mentioned that there has been a lot of changes, I think that these changes are in the favor of the student. Canada was always known for providing quality education, and that is what the agenda still is. So just to streamline the process, just to filter these right students who are planning to visit the country, I think that is the idea behind
फॉर
it.
योर बेटरमेंट बिकॉज दे ऑलवेज वांट कि जो बच्चे हमारे पास पहुंच रहे हैं उनको ज़्यादा डिफिकल्टीज ना आए और आने वाले बच्चों के लिए भी चीज़ें थोड़ी सी स्ट्रीमलाइन हो जाए. सो दैट इज वाई दे मेड चेंजेस कि बहुत सारे बच्चे जो डिफिकल्टी एम्प्लॉयमेंट में स्टडी में फेस कर रहे हैं तो दे कैन फोरसी दैट एंड दे मेड द सिस्टम्स बेटर फॉर यू. सो हम कैपिलानो के प्रोग्राम्स के बारे में थोड़ी सी बात करते हैं.
ऑल राइट. सो कैपिलानो बहुत ही डाइवर्स है इन टर्म्स ऑफ प्रोग्राम्स. हमारे पास ऑलमोस्ट हर एक कैटेगरी के लिए कोई ना कोई प्रोग्राम है. अगर मैं क्रेडेंशियल्स की बात करूँ, वी हैव एसोसिएट डिग्रीज, वी हैव डिप्लोमाज, वी हैव पोस्ट बैचलर डिप्लोमाज, वी इवन हैव ग्रेजुएशन विद अस. एंड टॉकिंग अबाउट दी प्रोग्राम्स, हमारे पास आर्ट्स के, साइंस के, इवन इन द फील्ड ऑफ टूरिज्म, कम्युनिकेशन स्टडीज़, यू नेम इट. आई मीन बहुत ही कॉम्पिटिटिव प्रोग्राम्स हैं. वो प्रोग्राम्स हैं जो एक्चुअली में जिसकी जॉब मार्केट अच्छी है. सो आई थिंक चूजिंग द राइट यूनिवर्सिटी, चूजिंग एंड गोइंग फॉर अ पब्लिक यूनिवर्सिटी विल ऑलवेज बी अ गुड ऑप्शन.
It is. And how about the entry requirements for the programs?
All right. So for most of our programs, we are accepting 6.5 with no band less than 6 in the IELTS. However, we are accepting other language tests as well, like PTE, TOEFL, Duolingo, and so on. Coming to the to the 12th or the UG requirement, so we need approximately 60% marks in 10 plus 2. And other than that, there are few other requirements that is that depends on which program the student has taken.
Okay.
Yes.
सो दैट्स गुड. सो मैं थोड़ा सा फीडबैक भी शेयर करना चाहती हूँ कि स्टूडेंट्स जो हमारे ऑलरेडी पढ़ चुके हैं यूनिवर्सिटी में, टच वुड, दे ऑलवेज गिव पॉजिटिव फीडबैक अबाउट कैपिलानो यूनिवर्सिटी बिकॉज दे एंजॉय द मेंटरशिप, दिस स्टडी फैकल्टी, दे हैव देयर ओन लैब, सो इट फील्स लाइक दे स्टडिंग इन अ गुड यूनिवर्सिटी.
So, ma'am, you mentioned about mentorship. So we have a very much dedicated team. Like we have an international team who is taking care of the students who are coming up from all over the globe. So they focus on helping the students with any kind of, let's suppose they have difficulties getting the accommodation. So they'll be assisting the students. It is not mandatory that you have to choose the the campus accommodation only.
Right.
You have the option where you can stay near to the campus.
Campus.
Other than that, I think how Capilano supports the student is usually it happens by providing work opportunities. For most of our programs, we have work integrated learning.
Yes.
That is the reason why students usually end up making a good career. All the students who have passed out from the university.
बड़े अच्छे इंसिडेंट्स होते हैं मेरे पास शेयर करने के लिए. मेरे एक स्टूडेंट को he got job in university campus itself, that too during COVID. So he
Okay.
got a call like if you're interested in working, he can apply for the interview. So he applied and he got a job. So before he landed in Canada, he had a job in his hand. So university is very supportive and students के point of view से बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छे से सोचते हैं.
That is true. So just like I mentioned, that team is very much dedicated, and we even have counselors there. Let's suppose if student is facing any issue in terms of insurance or in terms of anything which is even non-academic.
The counseling desk is available for them.
Exactly. So we even have psychologists there. So let's
Okay,
suppose if
great.
somebody's having some problem coping
Right.
up with because it's like a
I
culture
can
shock
understand. Yes.
when a student is traveling.
And
It's
staying
more
away
like
from family also, so it's difficult.
Very
So
true.
the counseling is required.
Very true.
So what intakes are available now और बच्चे कौन से intakes के लिए apply कर सकते हैं?
So right now we are open for January 25 and May 25 intakes, and I feel that there are multiple programs.
Yes.
And I think I really would like to tell the students that it is very important that you choose the right university.
Right.
Prefer going for a public university. Other than that, what I suggest is always seek guidance from the experts, especially when it comes to choosing the right program. So we have been working with,
Achievers Academy.
we have been working with Achievers Academy from quite a long time now, and
Yes.
I think you have always been supportive
Yes.
in terms of delivering us quality students. So that is what our utmost priority is, to provide academic excellence for our students.
And about the services of Achievers Academy, everyone is aware. So we are always there for you for your best guidance. So if you have some more questions from Shubkarman, for today we'll let him go, but definitely we can always ask him some more questions if you have. So you can drop me your queries in the comment box, or you can just message your queries on WhatsApp. So we'll get back to you on that.
All right, ma'am. Thank you very much.
Thanks.